Welcome to my channel, TechGen Solutions. Like, subscribe. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the NETGEAR Orbi AX5400 Wi-Fi 6 mesh router step by step. Whether you just bought it or you're upgrading your home network, this guide will walk you through everything, from unboxing and connecting the router to syncing satellites and optimizing your Wi-Fi performance. By the end of this video, you'll have a fast, stable, whole home Wi-Fi 6 network up and running. So, let's get started. Step 1. Unbox and identify components. Orbi Pro Wi-Fi 6 AX5400 Router, Model SXR50, Orbi Pro Wi-Fi 6 AX5400 Satellite, Model SXS50, if included, Ethernet cable, not included with SXS50, power adapters. Step 2. Connect the router to your internet. Unplug your modem, if using one, and remove/reinsert its backup battery if it has one. Connect the yellow WAN port on the router to your modem or gateway with an Ethernet cable. Plug the router into power. Wait for the power LED to turn green and the bar LED on the front to turn solid white. This means the preset Wi-Fi network is ready for setup. Step 3. Connect a satellite. If you have an SXS50 satellite, place it about 10 feet away from the router, facing it with a clear line of sight. Connect it to power. Wait for the bar LED to turn blue. This means it's synced to the router. Step 4. Connect to the router's Wi-Fi. The router's preset Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password are printed on its label. On your phone or computer, connect to this network. Open a web browser and go to the router's IP address, usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Log in with the default credentials, often admin/admin, change these after setup. Step 5. Configure internet settings. In the router's admin page, select your internet connection type, PPPoE, DHCP, etc., and enter your ISP's login details. Save and restart the router. Step 6. Use the Orbi app. Download the Orbi app from orbiapp.com. Log into your NETGEAR account or create one. Tap Set up an Orbi and scan the QR code on the router's sleeve/base. Follow prompts to connect your device to the router's Wi-Fi, personalize the network name/password, and set up admin login. Step 7. Test and optimize. Connect multiple devices to ensure stable Wi-Fi. Use the Orbi app or router admin page to adjust channels, security settings, and mesh performance. If you are unable to set up your NETGEAR Orbi AX5400 Wi-Fi 6 mesh router, or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.